Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to this channel, I talk about mind, money, and motivation. Today I'll be talking about a second portion of the Advanced Child Tax Credit. So there's a lot of questions people have been asking me, so I'm going to answer those, sharing my screen today. So the questions people have been asking me, what if my bank information changed? What if I want to opt out, of this child tax credit? What if I don't really know, am I actually getting this child tax credit? So that's why I'm sharing my screen to show you where to get the information at. This is the website that you would go up here at the top. That's the actual website that you would go to get this information. So just see right here at Advanced Child Tax Credit Payments in 2021. And this right here, this is the information if you're eligible for the child tax credit, you should receive a letter from the IRS. And this is just giving you some brief information what that letter entails. Okay, so let's get started. So to manage the payments. So check if you're enrolled to receive payments, unenrolled to stop getting advance payments, provide or update your bank information for payments beginning in August. Now, I'm doing this video in July, and so there's a certain time frame you have to change this information for the following month. So if you want to change any of that information or find out about any of that information, let's click right here on Manage Payments, and then it takes us to the Child Tax Credit Update portal. And so it's just a reminder right here, this is half of the child tax credit, and then it says we'll issue the first payment on July the 15th. Some of it was saying the 14th, but right here, that's when you should receive again your payment. And then it says right here, you can click right here to see if you're eligible for the child tax credit payment as well. Okay, and so also right here, we want to see how it works. Check if you're enrolled to receive advanced child payments, unenrolled to start receiving payments, provide or update your bank information. So let's click right here. So what it's telling you to do, you have to have either sign in with an ID.me or with an existing IRS username. So for those questions, you just click on either right here or the ID.me. So that would be your information if your bank information changed, if you want to opt out of this, or if you want to just find out if you're actually eligible. And like I said, these payments should be coming through by July the 15th of this year. Hopefully this has answered your question. If you have any additional questions that you would like me to do by video, just let me know. And until next time, have an awesome day, everyone.